Hello there. I hope today finds you happy and healthy, excited about living. All right, we're going to talk about step 2 of the Clearvite program, and again, for many of you, this may be step 1. After successful completion of the modified fast, you can now begin the Clearvite program. Be sure, please, to read the Clearvite program brochure. You've probably done that already. I gave that to you in advance, and that is so you can get the groceries and the food that you need to eat in order to be compliant with the program. Remember that organic is best, but it's not necessary. The purpose of step 2 is to maintain the benefits attained during the modified fast while providing important nutritional support for the neuroendocrine immune system. This is accomplished through a strict 3-week elimination diet and is supported nutritionally with Clearvite. The 3-week elimination diet is designed to help you in a number of ways. Firstly, it can help you avoid commonly antigenic foods that might otherwise cause inflammation and blood sugar issues, including adrenal gland physiology problems. Secondly, by eating a whole food diet, you'll likely have an easier time consuming glycemically balanced meals, which can support a healthy blood sugar balance. Lastly, after the 3-week elimination diet, many people report having an improved relationship with food and find it easier to comply with a healthy diet. Clearvite is used during this phase of the program to nutritionally support certain metabolic processes while eliminating certain foods. The Clearvite product contains compounds and nutrients that have been shown to support the following systems. Hepatobiliary. What that basically means is your liver and your gallbladder. It contains a number of nutrients that have been shown to support healthy phase 1 and phase 2 liver detoxification. Healthy liver function is important in metabolizing hormones, antibodies, inflammatory cytokines, chemicals, and other compounds. And we talked about detoxification in greater detail earlier. It has gastrointestinal products that help the function of your gastrointestinal system. It contains a number of nutrients as well as beneficial bacteria, also known as probiotics, which can help nutritionally support healthy gastrointestinal function. Clients seeking to support healthy metabolic function can benefit from a healthy GI system. And believe me, the Hippocrates said before Jesus was born that disease starts in the gut, and I believe that that's true today. It has immune properties. It also contains a number of compounds known to support a healthy immune system, including supporting a healthy neuroendocrine system. Clients or patients seeking to support healthy metabolic function can benefit from a healthy immune system. Now, let me say too that the majority of people suffering from chronic conditions have overlapping physiological deviations from normal, which basically means you've got gut function that's not working right. You've got immune problems. You've got detoxification problems. You've got an overlap of issues that we're actually addressing with this first step. So this first step is vital, and that's why I'm taking so much time to explain each component. And I know that there's a lot of repetition in the videos, but believe me, I want you to learn this, and I want you to understand why we're doing what we're doing. Now, in addition to the elimination diet and the Clearvite drink, it's going to be important for you to have support from your friends and your family during the program. This can often be the factor that determines a person's success or failure. It's easy to give in when you have pressure from outside, and believe me, there's enough pressure in the world. It's difficult to live a healthy life in America. I didn't say it's impossible. I said it's difficult. Now, a discussion about your program should definitely occur with your family members and your spouse so that they can be supportive during the program. Make sure you have their support. Many times spouses and family members will unconsciously try to sabotage family members during the program, and it helps to be prepared to discuss the issues if it does arise. So you got to say, listen, I can't eat that. You know I can't eat that. Please help me. Take that in the other room if they're eating and it bothers you. Now that should only happen for the first few days, and after that you're going to be feeling so good. They're going to be looking at you saying, what in the world are you doing? Because they're going to want what you've got. So stay the course for them. Preparing foods ahead of time is another factor in your success. Knowing what foods can be eaten and having these options available at all times is greatly going to enhance the likelihood of your success. Now, if any of you see me in the office or coming into the office, I have like a lunch bucket, I call it. And in this, basically, I have food for every situation. So I can go all day and eat from that bucket and be satisfied. So please, proper preparation is extremely important. The elimination diet may cause some people to experience uncomfortable reactions like skin outbreaks, anxiety, gastrointestinal irritation, or nausea, just to name a few. While these really are rare, it is possible that these may arise from too much nutritional support and detoxifying too quickly. You really need to discuss that with me if that's happening, and we can make some modifications. It's really unlikely that you're going to have these sensitivities to Clearvite, and that's because it's hypoallergenic. It's a formula that is basically produced with you in mind and these processes in mind. Now, if you do have additional support or you're taking supplements during the program and have adverse reactions, we may have to back off on those. We may have to stop taking them. We may reintroduce them at half the original amount. So that's something that we will need to be flexible about. I don't anticipate you having a problem, but if you do, I want you to know that you're not the first one. Now, again, I want you to be encouraged, be strong, know that the first 3 days, the first 5 days, the first week is the toughest time. And then for many people, they're experiencing euphoria because they're not dealing with a lot of the allergic reactions that they didn't even know they were having. Fatigue is oftentimes replaced with energy. So your outlook on life can be so much better, so much brighter. Please stay the course. Thank you for your time and your attention. On the next video, we're going to talk about the reintroduction and the final phase of this particular Clearvite program. So look out for that video. Thank you so much, and God bless you.